Want to easily sort through your GL accounts? Look at the structure of your financial statement versions, or maybe create a new account by copying an existing one. Then open the Manage Your Solution app on your Fiori Launchpad, choose Configure Your Solution, and search for the Manage Chart of Accounts app. You can set filters such as Application Area and Sub-Application Area, or you can just search by typing the app name. Here it is. Now we choose Configure and can get started. The default view is the Financial Statement Versions page. Select an ID here to see the structure of one of your financial statement versions. On the Balance Sheet tab, you see the accounts assigned to the balance sheet for this financial statement version. The Profit and Loss tab is laid out similarly. The Unassigned Accounts tab shows you the accounts that haven't been assigned to this financial statement version yet. The number displayed on the tab shows how many accounts are still unassigned. The Notes tab is for accounts that need to have zero balance and are therefore not relevant for your financial statement results. On each of these tabs, you can switch between the Hierarchy view and the List view display of your accounts. When you're in the Hierarchy view, you can use the Copy function to create a new account. Here's how this works. Select an account and then choose the Copy Account button. A pop-up appears where you enter some account information, and then you select the company codes that you want the account to be assigned to. Choose OK, and you've got your new account. Now you can assign the financial statement version to this new account. The app helps you by proposing the assignment from the account that you copied. Select the newly created account, and then choose Copy FSV Assignment. In the pop-up, select one or more financial statement versions, and the system saves your assignment. To drill down to the account details, just select the account number. This takes you into the app for managing GL account master data, where you can see and edit account details. If you go to the Chart of Accounts page in this app and select one or multiple company codes, you get a list of all accounts assigned to these company codes. You can also compare accounts on the company code level and edit the account attributes as needed. For a clearly structured view of your GL accounts and a speedy way to check or edit your account data, use the Manage Chart of Accounts app.